friends, today we are going to discuss about VOS Viewer. VOS Viewer is a software tool used for visualizing and analyzing bibliometric data such as scientific publication, authors, keywords. So here in this software we can analyze co-authorship analysis, which will visualize collaboration network among authors, identifying key researchers and clusters. Co-citation analysis analyzes the relationship between cited reference, revealing influential work and research themes. Keyword co-occurrence analysis, which will identify prominent keywords and their relationship, helping to understand research topic and the research trends. Document co-citation analysis, which will visualize the relationship between document, revealing clusters and pattern in the literature. Co-author citation analysis analyzes the relationship between authors based on their cited work, identifying key researchers and schools of thought. Bibliometric mapping create maps of the scientific field illustrating the structure and evolution of the research areas. Research trend analysis identify emerging topics, authors and keyword helping to predict future research direction. Influence and impact analysis assesses the influence of the authors, documents and keywords using metric like citation count, co-citation frequencies. Network analysis studied the connections and relationship between the research communities, identifying central nodes and clusters. Science mapping creating the visual representation of the scientific fields, illustrating the relationship between concept, authors, and document. So let us learn to apply it. So we will open the software VOS Viewer. Here is the VOS Viewer. Then we will click on the create. Here we will click on the create a map based on the bibliometric data, and then we will click next. And then here we are using the Scopus cited downloaded the references. So we will read data from bibliometric database like Scopus. Then we will click next. Then we will click on Scopus, and then here we will select the file. So file is inside the download folder. And then we will click next. And here we can choose what type of analysis we want to do. Co-authorship analysis, co-occurrence analysis. So here we will go first with co-occurrence analysis, that is keyword analysis. Then we will click next. So here we will choose those research paper which have at least 5 times a particular keyword is being used. So we will click on next. So around 160 papers will be there. We will click next. Here we can deselect those those keywords that is not relevant to us, like article. So then we will click finish. Then the keyword density map will be created, and here we can also do. So these are the nodes, these are the bigger nodes, and it is showing protected areas are connected with other keywords like conservation planning, nature society relation, decision making, protected areas, perceptions, nature parks. So these are the nodes. These are the major nodes: animals, environmental protection. When we click on particular node, then it will highlight how it is correlated with other keywords. And then here is the option like overlay visualization. We can click, then it will show the year. So it will show how the different research is going, trend of the research can be mapped. So this light yellow color shows the recent researches like ecosystem, non-human, and this type of new keywords are emerging. Conservation management, spatiotemporal analysis. So these are the keywords which are now emerging as a new trend in the research. Also we can do density visualization, then A density visualization will show how particular area is being focused. So these protected areas